Pero ito yung mas mukhang kinakabahan. Kumusta ka naman, Ate?
Kamusta naman ang anime look natin today? Alright, but to be honest, Audrey, ano yung pwede mong i-describe or ano yung word na mag-describe mo si Jamie Ann ngayong nag-turn 18 na siya? Tapos di ba yesterday, parang 17 years old pa lang siya. Then a day after, nag-18 na. So, paano mo siya i-describe 17 years ago and ngayon nakasama ko siya tonight?
Mahiyain.
Sandali, magkamag-anak ba kayo?
No.
So I guess si Jamie is really a very quiet person on the outside. Pero aabangan namin yung corner side down ni Aldrin. Siguro mamaya lalabas na to. So let's watch out for that. Okay, so you can take your seat now. The pain of being an escort. Yes, you're gonna be standing, I think, the whole night. Unless they want to share the seat, maybe.
Hmm?